I'm Elizabeth Lawson from Have Maple Will Travel, and I'm here on the final day of the Morpeth Northumbrian Gathering, and we're hoping to do the Morpeth Rant in the street. First time it's ever been done. This is all part of a project that I've been running to make sure that people in this area know how to do the Morpeth Rant, which is a dance that's famous to this area, but it's also danced all over Britain and all over America. It's one of the most popular folk dances out there, and it's a lot of fun.
Is it a difficult dance?
It's a little bit tricky. It's not a level 1 dance as I like to talk about them. It's more of a level 2, but once you've learned it, you wonder what the problem was. But it's beautiful. It's got a particularly interesting movement.
And is it something which people of all ages can do?
All ages, yep. It's not, if you can throw yourself around and do the whole thing and do special rant stepping and everything, or you can just walk it. We've been up and down round about Northumberland doing workshops. We've done workshops with older people, done workshops with children, we've done workshops with the Learning Disabled Arts group, Headway Arts, absolutely fantastic people there. So yeah, anyone, and we're going to do it with the Brownies.
And tell me a little bit about what you think about events like the Gathering in promoting and continuing the tradition of dance.
I think the Gathering is an absolutely vital part of our heritage. And the important thing to get out there is that these lovely dances and the lovely music of Northumbrian is for everybody who lives there. You don't have to have had ancestors from here forever and ever and ever. You might have just arrived from Ukraine, or you might have arrived from Afghanistan. Anybody can do this. It belongs to you. It belongs to everyone. And I think it's a way, I feel passionately it's a way of bringing people together with a shared culture about place. We've swapped places. Would anyone else like to join in? Hey, archers with the man. So you're going to drop in behind Hillary here. Sorry, yes. No, wait. Back. It's fine. We can turn round, go back the other way. This is the easy bit. Right, you two stand still. We're going to go down the middle of this enormous We're going to come back up, and then we're going to dance around each other. So I think we're going to do what we're going to do.